Okay, this is going to be just a short video on servicing a Thermo King Precedent. I'm missing the door over here. It's got the old style latches I need to upgrade. But it's a S600. Very simple to do it yourself. I went to Thermo King. They wanted almost 700 bucks. Told them they were nuts. I hope you can hear me over the generator on the motorhome, but anyway, you buy the kit. You get the oil filter, air filter, fuel filter. Comes in a box, all three of them. Very easy to change. Spin-on filter, got 2 clamps. You twist that housing and it drops down. You take the filter out, put new filter in, put a little bit of fuel. Don't fill it up, maybe halfway. Put it back on. The one thing I didn't know, this here. You twist this off, and there's a pressure hose that goes on. That centerpiece pushes in, and the oil will flow out. Well, I didn't have that. So I improvised with a water bottle cut open as a funnel, and I used a pin right here to hold it in, and it drained it. Of course, it made a mess, but I don't know how much that hose is. I'm gonna check and find out. I thought I could pull this nut off, but I said, well, shoot, I'll just do it the right way. And well, I didn't do it the right way, but I did it the way I did it. And that's pretty much it. You're looking at about a little over 2 1/4 gallons of oil. I used Rotella. I mixed it with T4 and what is that? T5, the semi-synthetic. So once you're done, you fire it up. Make sure there's no leaks. This was just from draining and I made a mess. If you get that hose, or you probably could pull this off, put a a drain, what do you call them? Ball valve type drains here. Just open it up, drain it out, close it up. I may do that next time, but I don't use this trailer as much, so I made a mess. It may be a while. I had to prime it. Took a couple times to fire up. See that latch? This door over here should have that latch, but I had the old style. And this bottom one was missing. So the door was gonna fly off, so I took it off. Gotta go through its configuring. There's the old filter. I think it was due. Oh, total cost was about 2 1/4. That's for the filter kit and the oil. I got 3. I've already had it running, so I'm not going to let her fire up, but so 2 gallons, and it's about 2.5 gallons is what I used. I think the oil at Walmart, it's like 60 bucks, something like that. So it was 158, I think, on the filter kit. There's your part number, 100579, made in the US. You get the oil, the air filter, an oil filter, and a fuel filter. Do it yourself and save 400 bucks, 500 bucks. All right, that's your tip for today. Like and share, subscribe. You don't have to hit the stupid bell, just subscribe.